If you love cherries, this one is about to become your new obsession. This vegan roasted cherry ice cream is everything you want in a summer dessert. Creamy, fruity, and completely irresistible. Roasting the cherries takes their flavor to a whole new level. They become soft, sweet, and deliciously jammy, with little bursts of rich roasted cherry in every bite. It honestly tastes like summer in a scoop. And can we talk about the creaminess? That's all thanks to the soaked cashews. They blend into the smoothest, silkiest base, giving you that rich, velvety texture without any dairy. You'd never guess it's completely plant-based. Every spoonful is packed with juicy, roasted cherries and the dreamiest, creamy texture, making it the perfect treat when you're craving something refreshing but still a little indulgent. Trust me, once you taste it, you'll be wondering why you haven't been roasting cherries for your ice cream all along. This is one recipe you'll be making on repeat. Follow Country Life Foods for more.